Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a hanging indent in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document in Google Docs. Then select the paragraph or reference where you want to apply the hanging indent. Now click Format from the top menu and then go to Align and Indent. From here, click on Indentation options. Now under a special indent, click on the drop-down menu. From the list, select Hanging. Now adjust the indentations according to your need. Then click Apply. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.